Did you know that most Excel users only use find and replace to swap one word for another, and they are leaving 90% of its power completely untouched? Imagine you have a massive spreadsheet with hundreds of inconsistent entries, wrong names, broken formats, and partial text scattered everywhere that you need. Press Ctrl and H to open Find and Replace, then click the Options button in the bottom corner. This is where the real power is hiding. You will see checkboxes for match case, match entire cell. Now here is the wildcard trick that most people have never seen. In the Find What box, type an asterisk before and after your search text, like asterisk pending asterisk, and Excel, watch what happens. Every variation of pending across every sheet gets replaced with the word confirmed in a single click, perfectly consistent and completely formatted the way you just learned how to use find and replace across your entire workbook. Apply wildcard searches with asterisks and bulk update hundreds of